Alright, hello again Year 12. We're back on the back veranda and I'm looking at a question from 5F which is in the challenge set. Question 14b. Now I've covered up the solution here so you can see the question. Can I suggest you have a play with it? So you press pause on this video and you have a play with that question and you set it up and make particular mind of y equals log x, which goes like that, as you know, and it doesn't matter what base it is, whether it's log to the base e, log to the base 10, it goes like that. So press pause and have a play. Okay, here's the solution. Now solve 100 to the x minus 10 to the x minus 1. So you've got to do a substitution. We said to you on that page there of notes that you needed to know your substitution. So I'm going to let 10 to the x equal w. So 100 is 10 squared, and then we've got 10s everywhere, so that makes sense. So 10 squared to the x, I'm going to flip that around and make that 10x squared. So then that's w squared minus w minus 1 equals 0. Pretty easy quadratic to solve from there, but it's not going to have a solution. So not an easy solution via Mrs. Barry method or bracketing or anything. So you're going to have to go use the quadratic formula and you end up with 1 plus or minus root 5 on 2. But remember, w equals 10 to the x, so that means 10 to the x equals 1 plus or minus root 5 on 2. When you've got something like that, we've got to get x equals, so when in doubt, take logs. We know we have to do that. Now, taking logs there, so because it's in 10, we're going to take log to the base 10. So log to the base 10, bring the x out the front, and then that's log to the base 10. Oops, that should have a 10 in there. Log to the base 10 of 1 plus or minus root 5 on 2. Makes good sense, but think back to here. On your log curve, no matter what the base is, log goes like that, so x can never be 0. So if it can never be 0 or less than 0, I can't have 1 minus root 5 because that would be less than 0. So this is only going to have one solution, log 10, 1 plus root 5 on 2. There we go. Hope that worked out. Very sunny here this afternoon, so I hope you can see that alright. Anyway, that's just a little appendix for that set 5F.